Hello friends and welcome back. In this video we'll learn that how you can make your sound more deeper by adding boost in it. Basically this method is only for men because if you will if a woman will try this method, then it will gonna make his or her her voice really sound bad. So this method is only for men. So now what you have to do, you have to first of all record your audio, or if you have any kind of audio file then you can simply import in the Audacity. So I do not have any kind of file, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just simply gonna record my own audio. So just click on the record button and hello, this is a test recording. Hello, this is a test recording. Okay, now that sounds good. Now all we have to do is to just simply go to effects, and from effects we have to first of all go to equalization, and from equalization we have to select bass boost. So as you can see over here, the bass boost is over 9 decibels. So all we have to do is to just simply drag it to 3 decibels. Drag the whole portion to 3 decibels because I recommend mostly to 3 decibels, but you can also mess around with all the settings, but I mostly recommend 3 decibel because of my mic. If you're having a good mic or already a mic that costs really above $100, then you can mess around with the settings, because the more good mic you have, the more good decibels you should have to set. Then I just used to set 3 decibels. So now just click on OK. So when I will click on the OK, now when I just play the audio, you'll see the difference. Hello, this is a test recording. You see that when I say hello, it feels like my voice just become so manly. So now I just undo the equalization, so you'll see that I will not gonna um, feel like I'm saying like manly. So when I play the audio, you'll see that it sounds it will not gonna sound like manly, or we can say deeply. Hello, yeah, it's just like same. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to effects, and from effect we have to go equalization, and from equalization, as you can see over there, I have set to 3 decibels. Now I just click on the bass boost, and from bass boost you have to simply set that to 3 decibels, and from 3 decibels you have to just simply click on OK. So as you can see over here, that the strikes of my audio just increase by some length. Now when I will play the audio, you'll see the difference. Hello, this is a test recording. So you see that my voice just becomes so deep. Now if I just set that to more decibels, like 0 decibel, you'll see that my voice will become more deeper. And now play. Hello, this is a test record. You see that my voice just become more deeper. So this is how you can be able to make your voice deep. If you have any question related to this video, then feel free to ask me and I will make sure to answer your each and every question.